So you want to vacuum your car's AC system without a pump. First off, it's not the traditional way. AC systems typically require a vacuum pump to remove air and moisture. But let's explore an unconventional approach together. Uh, Pro tip, follow carefully. Um, Here's the situation. Track air and moisture can wreak havoc on your AC system, causing inefficiency over time. The good news, you can use what's called the venturi effect. It's ingenious and uses a garden hose to create a vacuum. Start by removing all refrigerant. Legal note, use proper equipment to capture it, as releasing it into the air is illegal. Once that's done, attach a venturi vacuum kit to your air compressor. This kit's available online for around $20. Connect the vacuum kit's hose to the low pressure service port on your AC system. Make sure the connection's tight. We don't want any leaks here. This method requires a compressor capable of at least 90 psi to be effective. Turn the compressor on and watch the magic happen. The venturi effect now creates a vacuum in your AC system by converting pressurized air into suction. Leave it running for about 30 minutes to ensure optimal air and moisture removal. This alternative approach doesn't reach the same vacuum level as a professional pump, but for DIY enthusiasts, it's better than nothing. Here's the kicker, though. It might not remove every bit of moisture. Some risk persists. After 30 minutes, shut off the compressor and monitor the pressure. Any rise indicates the presence of leaks or inadequate vacuuming. You might need to repeat this process a couple of times for better results. Well, this method offers a cost-effective solution. Remember, it's not foolproof. If you experience performance issues with your AC later, a professional grade vacuum pump might become unavoidable. Speaking from experience here, folks, and it's fair to admit, traditional methods exist for a reason. But sometimes we have to make do with what we have at hand. If you're working on multiple cars, investing in proper equipment is eventually a sound choice. Keep safety in mind. Working with pressurized systems is risky. Wear appropriate safety gear and proceed with caution. If at any stage you feel uncomfortable, seeking professional help is always a better decision. Always remember, as cool as DIY sounds, it sounds like it comes with its sets of challenges. Be prepared for mixed results and don't hesitate to reach out to automotive forums for shared experiences and extra tips. This method certainly earns you bragging rights. Living in Portland, our humid climate means moisture thrives. So keep a check on your AC after trying this. Honestly, getting involved with your car can be rewarding, even if it just saves you a trip to the mechanic. Stay curious and safe.